Into your hands I commend my spirit. In you, Lord, I take refuge. Let me never be put to shame. Into your hands I commend my spirit. You will redeem me, O faithful God. Father, into your hands I commend my spirit. I am mocked by my enemies. My neighbors and kindred are afraid of me. Those who see me in the street flee from me. I am forgotten like the dead, like something discarded and worthless. Father, into your hands I commend my spirit. But I trust in you, Lord. You are my God. My destiny is in your hands. Deliver me from the enemies who pursue me. Father, into your hands I commend my spirit. Let your face shine upon your servant. Save me in your mercy. Be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord. Father, into